Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to use your Ethernet on your mobile devices. So here I have my smartphone, by the way, and to use Ethernet, first of all you need a USB to Ethernet adapter. Now you can use any USB to Ethernet adapter, it does not matter because there is not major manufacturers that are making it. So they are all basically made in China products and they are just whitewashing it with their own brands. So there is nothing interesting about that. So you can buy any Ethernet adapter, it does not matter. Okay, so there are so many. I would say buy the one that is actually in the middle, I mean which is not very expensive or very cheap. So buy the one that fits your requirements and needs. By the way, this one is a gigabit USB Ethernet adapter. Now although you can see what, yeah, as you can see, type C to Ethernet. Now you can use any Ethernet. So let me first of all, let me just connect this with my smartphone, okay, to the type C port of this smartphone. And now I have connected my smartphone with this type C USB to Ethernet adapter. Now the first thing you can see here is that there is this weird icon right there, right next to the air, what do you call that, flight mode. So you can see this is the Ethernet icon, and let me just magnify this for you. As you can see, there is this Ethernet icon right there and with a tick on it. Tick means that internet is connected. So let me just show you that the internet is connected or not. So first thing you can see right there is that we have some traffic going on. So let me just do a speed test for you. As you can see, we have Ethernet and we are using Ethernet on our smartphone. So you can see this is pretty easy, you can use it. And the good thing about Ethernet is that the latency, the ping that you get, the jitter that you get with your wired connection is much more better than your Wi-Fi. Even though Wi-Fi, as you can see right there, my ping is about 12 millisecond, and if I am connected with my Wi-Fi I would get about 24 to 30 milliseconds of ping. So definitely guys, you can use Ethernet, especially if you're gaming or live streaming, especially because sometimes using Wi-Fi could give you some headaches, like these type of things. But with Ethernet it's all wired, there is no problem about radiation or anything like that, and it just works, and it's cold hardwired connection, and it works all the time and it's much more better. So as you can see, I'm gonna do the speed test again. So yeah guys, if you found this video helpful, you can like this video and subscribe to the channel, and if you want to share anything with us, you can comment as well. And I will see you in the next one. Till then, bye.